When I list a house with certain features, I know it will sell quickly. Although not all buyers are looking for the same features, there are just some that are particularly popular. Hi, I'm Lane Moradu, realtor in the Myrtle Beach area of South Carolina, bringing you information about homes and lifestyle here. I sold this home just a few months ago for $495,000. It's 2,200 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath. Has an attached 2-car garage. Well, of the features I'm talking about, I'll just begin with a single level floor plan. So many people like this. They like not to have to climb stairs to get to bedrooms. They at least want the primary bedroom on the first floor. Now, I will say all bedrooms on the first floor with a bonus room over the garage is also very popular. The house I'm sharing with you today was all single level. It's a 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, which is just great. It has enough bedrooms that for if you have children or if you don't have children, it can accommodate guests. Maybe you can use one of the bedrooms as an office space. But this is a very popular sized home, a 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, or a 3 bedroom, 3 bath. Now, something else that people really, really like is that open floor plan. They just want that flow in between the kitchen and the living and dining area. People also really like that open kitchen with a work island, and maybe that work island is also a breakfast bar. People also really like white cabinetry. Now, that's not 100% of people, but I would say 80% of my buyers, if they have a color preference for cabinets, it's white. Now, this kitchen has granite countertops, which is very popular. Even more popular is white quartz. I have another listing with that I've already shared with you. Now, another special thing about this home is the water view. A water view is very popular here. You know, it's just so nice to look out your back windows and have that beautiful view of all that water. We have swans and ducks that fly through, and they're fun to watch in the water. And if you think about it, if there's a pond behind you, then that's that much more space between you and the next neighbor that you would see on the other side of your backyard. Outdoor entertaining space. We do have mild weather here. People spend a lot of time on their patios, barbecuing and having people over, maybe just, enjoying a glass of iced tea on the back patio themselves. And if you'll notice, this house, not only does it have a large back patio, a large, very inviting back patio, but it even has a kitchen island space, just making it that much more easy to cook for and entertain guests. This house also has an attached 2-car garage. We do not have basements in this area, and that is because we are pretty much at sea level. So maybe you've heard the South Carolina area referred to as the low country. That's why we are literally low country. I mean, you could try to dig a basement for a house, but all you would end up with is a lake underneath your house. So no basements here. An attached garage is very popular. Another thing that's really nice about this particular listing is that it is in a neighborhood with amenities. It is in a neighborhood that has not one, but 2 swimming pools, a playground. The pond you see is stocked and has a fishing pier. It has an indoor pickleball court. Well, you get the idea. Now, another thing that is very popular about this listing is that it's only 10 minutes from the beach. People move to this area because of the beach. And even if they don't want to live really close to the beach where it might be a little bit more hubbub, or you're a little bit more prone to those ocean winds. People like to live within close driving distance. So 10, 15, 20 minutes. This house was a 10-minute drive to the beach. Another nice thing that helped this listing sell very quickly is that it was turnkey. It really wasn't a very old house in the first place. It was only 4 years old, but the seller had kept it in beautiful condition. One thing that is unique about this area compared to some other areas is we have a lot of new construction. So if you are a seller, you definitely want to make sure your house is in very good condition, very clean, no delayed maintenance. You want it to be what we call call turnkey, where a buyer only has to put a key in the door, turn it, and walk in. And now that's something that's nice for you as a buyer to know too, is that there is a lot of new construction here, but there are also resales that are they're not very old, but people have gone in and done aftermarket things. Like, what was so special about this listing is not only was it only 4 years old, not only was it in excellent condition, but the seller had done aftermarket improvements like that big patio. If you buy new construction, it's not going to have something like that. You're going to have to add that aftermarket with cash out of pocket rather than just folding it into your mortgage. So you can see why this listing of mine was under full price contract in just a matter of a couple weeks. Are you interested in learning more about selling or buying a home in the Myrtle Beach area? Please just call, text, or email me. I will be happy to make myself available to answer any questions. Also, if there are other things that you would like to know about the Myrtle Beach area, please put them in the comments below. I will read the comments and use those for future episodes.